StormTrack Weather forecast. As we just saw out there yesterday, it was nice and sunny out on the river, and we got some nice sunshine here again today. Those clouds have started to clear out really nicely.
Yeah, it's starting to clear out, looking like that sun is shining, a gorgeous Sunday morning. And Illy, what can we expect for the rest of our day?
It is going to be above average temperatures. However, there is going to be some rain chances, but in late afternoon. So let's look at our forecast. As you see here, like I said it before, it's going to get a little bit more warmer throughout the day. However, that is from the instability from the air. So there's going to be a lot of moisture and some possibilities of rains for today and Monday as well. Now, as you see here, this is going to be our current temperatures at the moment: 81 in El Paso, 77 in Las Cruces, 76 in Deming, and 75 in Van Horn, with a bright morning for today, but that will soon change for the evening. Now let's go over the Doppler radar. This is our live feed, and as you see, there's not a lot of activity going on. There might be some here around Nogales and Canena, but at the same time, that's not really our area, at least until later on. There might be some activity. So as you see here, around 6 p.m. today, there's going to be some storms forming around the area, and it can slowly impact us at around 10 p.m. So probably you are going to be at home resting. So just beware of that. With these storms, there might be some gusts forming. There might be some flooding, especially if you're around burn scars, or of course if you are in an area that doesn't have that great of a drainage system. So again, if you see here in the red, this means that it's going to be heavier rain, and this is pushed in by the northwest, and around 4 a.m. those storms should be slowly drifting away. That is until later on 4 p.m. on Monday. You're going to see that there is some scattered storms around the area, and some places that might be affected will be Las Cruces, Columbus, and Deming. And as you see, this is going to become a more widespread storm around El Paso and Las Cruces and Tornillo. So a lot of the areas are going to be impacted for Monday, and Tuesday it starts to slowly dissipate until 10 a.m. at El Paso and Tornillo. Again, this is one of our estimations of what might happen, and it's going to be a forecast highs for today: 98 in El Paso, 93 in Las Cruces. Now let's look at our future track 7 days for El Paso. There is going to be some rainstorm chances, especially on Tuesday with 50%. We're going to be in mid 90s to high 90s, especially on Friday, 98 and 99 on Saturday. And as we move forward with Las Cruces, again, there's going to be the chances of the rainstorm highs on Wednesday with 50% and lows of 88 and up to 90s. Now let's go back to you, Paul.
All right.